So I was recently working on a project and I found something that's pretty mind-blowing. Let me show you. Inside Epidemic Sound, you can actually upload a video and it will soundtrack your video for you automatically. So if I click on this plus button, I have this video of just some camping footage, and it'd be nice to add some background music and sound effects automatically to this video. What I can do is upload it, describe what I'm looking for, and click Create Soundtrack. Now, while this goes to work, I do want to mention that Epidemic Sound I've been using quite a bit lately for stock music, and this is just one of the several features of Epidemic Sound. If you do want to check out all of the features inside Epidemic Sound, I did make a review video going over everything. I will link it in the top corner if you do want to check that out. But it just finished, so let's see the final result. That's pretty impressive. And what's nice is you can even make edits directly inside Epidemic Sound. Like, for example, this beginning here, the sound effect kind of drops out abruptly, but we can extend it into the next clip and then have it fade out by clicking on the top here. So now it sounds like this. And what's really nice is that you can take this from Epidemic Sound and add it directly inside your Premiere Pro timeline. As you can see, I have the original sequence here in my Premiere Pro timeline here. And if I go up to Window, Extensions, Epidemic Sound, I can navigate over to the Studio tab. As you can see, I have my studio project here. I can click on it, and I can click on this Add to Timeline button. I can click Add to Timeline, and it'll download all the assets from Epidemic Sound and add it directly inside my timeline here, which is pretty incredible. As you can see, it imported all my media and it added in all these clips here. So now I can continue editing my video directly inside Premiere. Now, sound design can be quite tricky, so if you want to learn more about how to work with different sound effects inside Premiere Pro, I did make a video going over some of the effects that I like to use as a video editor. I will leave that video right up there if you do want to check that one out, but be sure to check out Epidemic Sound. It's pretty cool having this feature inside Premiere Pro.